This flash at the bottom of the screen, which is telling you that that block deal which we were highlighting with regards to Zomato, that has happened. So 75.9 lakh shares have changed hands in a block deal window. And that is Zomato for you. We'll revisit that in a bit. But Sun Pharma and Gland Pharma will be in focus. Let's revisit those as well. Ekta is here with more. Ekta, hi, morning.
Hi, morning. Well, I'll start with Sun Pharma since that was one of the technical picks that you all alluded to as well. Macquarie has written on Sun Pharma. They've added Sun Pharma to their marquee buy list. They've reiterated and outperformed with a revised target price of 1275 rupees. According to them, there is fast growth in the specialty revenue, which could unlock meaningful operation leverage. And according to them, the FY25 EBITDA could possibly reach 30%. They've modestly raised their above consensus FY25 estimated earnings to reflect the strong margin expansion. That's raised by only a meager 1%. Now, separately, Gland Pharma is going to be in focus because they've entered a put option agreement to acquire 100% of a French company, which is basically in the pharmaceutical injectable space, Cenexi Group, for $120 million. Euros. It could go up to 210 million euros based on addition of debt. Now, in terms of the acquisition itself, while it would probably increase their presence in the European market, the margins are low, and that would probably be a concern. So it was 13% in CY21, 19% in the first half of CY22, and hence the street wants to see whether or not there will be sustainable margin improvement. Separately, we did speak to the management of Gland Pharma last evening. They said there is no communication from the parent company with regards to the Fosun stake sale.
Ekta, thank you very much for that. Let's address the Zomato news once again. We've already seen close to 76 crore shares change hands early in the morning via block deal. Nimesh is the one who first alluded to the likelihood of this block taking place. Nimesh, the details?
Well, it looks like there is a confirmation of the block happening in the morning. And the good part is it's happening in the block window. So the risk of slippage is going to be quite low, is what I understand. Anyway, the initial feedback was the demand was strong. And it shows up the fact that the whole deal is happening in the block window. The other interesting thing is now there is a lockup of 120 days for the seller, which is Alibaba. So they've sold 3% today by block deal. They're left with another 10%, but that cannot come for the next 4 months. So the supply overhang, at least in the near term, is out of the way as far as Alibaba is concerned. In fact, in the last 1 quarter, if you look at the data, some large investors have sold out. So Uber sold out its entire 7.8%. Other names like Sequoia Capital, Tiger Global, they all sold out. So large part of this, pre-IPO investor overhang seems to be out of the way. And today, in a block windows, Alibaba has sold its 3%. So I'll go with the green for the fact that there is going to be no slippage and there is a further lockup